Today I am teaching you the alphabet in French. It is essential if you want to have a perfect pronunciation. To do so, I am going to be using animals as examples. So it is also going to be a vocab video. So let's get started. Hi everybody, my name is Pearl and welcome back to my channel, My French Story. So every week you will find here on this channel new videos to help you learn French from scratch, improve your French, get ready for your French exams, get better grades in French. So it is the place to be for French, so make sure that you subscribe. Today I have a very useful lesson for you, the French alphabet. So let's get started. A. A. Alligator. Alligator. B. B. Baleine. Baleine. C. C. Canard. Canard. So here be careful, don't pronounce the last D. Or cheval. Cheval. Canard, cheval. D. D. Dinde. Dinde. E. E. Escargot. Escargot. F. F. Fourmi. Fourmi. G. G. Girafe. Girafe. H. H. So here the H is silent. So make sure that you don't pronounce it. For example, hamster, hamster, or hibou, hibou. So it's not a hibou, it's not hamster, it's hamster, hibou. So you've got this H, please don't pronounce it. I, I, iguane, iguane. So here be careful, it is I and E, I, E. J, J, jaguar, jaguar. So here be careful, it is J, J, and G, G. So basically in English it is the opposite. K, K. Koala, koala. L, L. Lion, lion. M, M. Mouton, mouton. N, N. Narval, narval. O, O. Otari, otari. P, P. Poulet, poulet. Q, Q. Quiche, quiche. R, R. Requin, requin. S, S. Serpent, serpent. T, T. Tortue, tortue. U, U. Uniforme, uniforme. V, V. Vache, vache. W, W. Wallaby, wallaby. X, X. Xavier, Xavier. Y, Y. Yoga, yoga. And finally, Z, zèbre, zèbre. So guys, now I am going to disappear and put the alphabet on the screen. I am going to go through the alphabet really slowly. So let's do it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
So guys, I hope you liked this video. So knowing your French alphabet is essential if you want to have a perfect pronunciation in French. So if you liked the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel because you really don't want to miss anything. That's it for me and I see you very soon for another video. Salut!